G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the brain cocktail. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel. Alrighty, for this, use whatever glass you want. I use a martini glass for this. Put in 2 shots, 3 shots or 4 shots of peach schnapps. But for this one, I'm putting in 2 shots. Now pour in some Irish cream, about the same ratio. This might not look that good right now, but just wait. Now that I've changed the camera angle, you can see how it looks. It just looks like brains or just something horrible. So this is a really cool Halloween cocktail. Now you just add a little bit of Grenadine or just some cordial raspberry. Just drop it in.
Well, I hope you like this. Look at the brain.
I'm sure someone will like this cocktail. It's a bit sweet for me. Plus it's only 11 in the morning my time, so alcohol 11 in the morning. It's very cool, very fun to make. So, see you next time for my next meal.